In this video, I'll show you how to run Google AI Studio apps locally. To get started, go to Google AI Studio and click on the Your Apps section. Here, you'll see all the previous apps and websites you've created. Open the one you want to run locally. In my case, I want to run Iron Pulse Gym, a gym website I created. Simply open it and wait a few seconds for the preview to load. This is the preview of the website I created. Now we need to download the zip file containing all the code and resources for this website. Click on the code section where you'll see all the code files and other files used to build this website. At the top, you'll see a download as zip file option. Click on it and a zip file will be downloaded. Click on the downloaded file to open it. Since it's a zip folder, we need to extract it. Click Extract All, select the location where you want to extract the folder, then click Extract. Once all files are extracted, you'll see a README file inside the folder. Click on it to open it in VS Code. This file contains everything you need to run your app locally. The first prerequisite is Node.js. We need to download it on our PC. Open any browser, search for Download Node.js, and click on the first website that appears. Scroll down and select your operating system, in my case it's Windows. Select the architecture, I'll choose 64-bit. Then click Windows Installer and wait for it to download. Once downloaded, click on the installer to start the installation process. Click Next, accept all the terms in the license agreement, click Next and select the installation location. A default location will be selected, but you can change it according to your preference. Click Next through the remaining screens, then click Install. When prompted, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes and wait for Node.js to install. Once installation is complete, click Finish. Now let's verify that Node.js was properly installed. Open a command terminal, type node-v and press Enter. As you can see, it shows the installed version of Node.js, confirming successful installation. The next step is to install dependencies. Navigate to the folder where you extracted all your code files from Google AI Studio. Right-click inside the folder, click Show More Options, then click Open in Terminal. Type npm install and press Enter. This will download all the dependencies required to run your web app. Wait for the process to complete. It might take some time depending on the complexity of your app. Once complete, the next step is to set the Gemini API key in the env.local file. This step is optional but recommended if your web app uses AI services. In the extracted folder, find the env.example file. Double-click on it and open it with Notepad. You'll see a placeholder for your Gemini API key. To get your key, open Google AI Studio. At the bottom, click Get API Key. You can either use a previously created API key or create a new one. I'll create a new one. Click Create a New API Key, name it, I'll name it Gym Website, then select or create a project. I'll create a new project called Gym123 and click Create Project. Then click Create Key and wait a few seconds. Once created, copy the API key, go back to the env.example file, replace the placeholder with your API key, click File, then Save. Now we can run the app. Go back to the code folder, right-click and select Open in Terminal. Type code dot and press Enter. This will open all your code files in VS Code. You can use a different code editor if you prefer. Once VS Code opens, click Terminal at the top and select New Terminal. In the terminal, type npm run dev and press Enter. Wait a few seconds for the localhost to be created. You'll see a localhost URL. Click Follow Link to open your website or web app in your browser. Wait a few seconds for the browser to load your website. As you can see, our website has completely loaded and is working perfectly on localhost. Scrolling down, everything looks exactly as it did inside Google AI Studio. This is how you run your Google AI Studio apps or websites locally. That's all for this video. If you want to know how to run apps created on Base 44 or Lovable locally on your PC, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.